Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can screen record only specific window on your display or on your device using the Loom screen recording application or video meeting application. So let us get started. So guys, for this method you will need to launch the Loom desktop application, not the web application necessarily. You may stay logged in if you like, but for this method you'll need to access the desktop application installed on your device, like your desktop computer or laptop. So once it has been launched, you will see these screen recording and screenshot taking controls. Switch from screenshot to screen recording. And now guys, you will need to disable the full screen, because full screen recording is the default settings. Click into it and choose specific window from that menu below, or you may go with camera only. And then you will see this command. So you may hover your mouse over the given window. Now, as you can see, I'm on Google Chrome currently, and the entire window, browser window here is highlighted with that blue color, except the taskbar at the bottom, which will not be recorded. So only that window here, that Google Chrome or browser window, will be recorded. You may click it into or press escape to cancel, or left click into the area, and after that the given window will be selected, so that you may return to the previous menu and record the given window or part of your screen by clicking it to start recording. You may, for instance, also disable your camera. It's not 100% needed, but optional, but you can do this, for instance, if you'd like to prevent any conflicts between the screen recording and your webcam, but you can also keep it turned on if you like. So that's it guys, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.